Edward was at the coal hopper. Dart was there. He had delivered trucks of coal. Flynn saw Edward. Flynn screeched to a stop.
Edward! The blue engine! Don't worry, Edward. Your troubles are through. Fiery Flynn to the rescue. I've come to save you.
Really?
Water whooshed over Edward. Edward was surprised.
What are you doing, Flynn?
I'm saving you.
I don't need saving.
You're not on fire?
No, I'm not.
Just then, Edward's driver walked from behind Edward. He was soaking wet. Flynn felt silly. Dart giggled.
You're not fiery, Flynn. You're fumbling, Flynn.